Welcome back. So let's settle into a cross-leg position. Roll those shoulders back, sit tall, place your palms in chin mudra and soften your gaze. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Big inhale and out. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards the chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job. So let's start with the mobilization. Great. So you're going to move your neck to your right, your left. Keep going. Right, left. Last one. Right, left. And we're going to stop at the center. We're going to push your chin towards the ceiling. Now towards your chest. Keep going. And down, all the way up. And down. Great job. Now you're going to bring your hands in this way. So imagine you're like an Avenger almost. So inhale and circular that way. Exhale. Inhale. You feel it in your shoulder blades. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Great job. So join me in a tabletop position. So you're going to kneel down. Make sure the distance between your kneecaps is the length of your forearm. Place your elbows on your kneecaps. Spread those fingertips and we're ready. You're going to inhale, drop your belly down, gaze towards the ceiling. Exhale, arch your back. So this is really good for strengthening and mobilizing your spine. Inhale, drop your belly down, gaze towards the ceiling. Exhale, arch your back. You're doing great. Inhale. Go with the breath. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. We'll hold. Breathe normally. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Arch your back. Gaze towards your navel. And we're done. Great job. Now we're going to mobilize and warm up our wrist. So you're going to move your weight over your wrist. You feel that? And again, one more. Good. Now to the opposite direction. And down. Now place your fingertips facing you. Ready? Inhale, gaze in front. Exhale, sit on your calf muscles. One, inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Feel that nice stretch in your carpal tunnel. Right? And done. Great. So join me in a lying down position. You're going to bring your feet together and you're going to raise them up. Up. Great. Now you're going to flex your toes towards you and then away from you. Towards you, away from you. So it's for your ankles and your calf muscles all the way. Keep going. And done. You're going to rotate your ankles to your right and now to your left. Good. You're going to bend your knees and bring them towards you and out. Towards you and out. Towards you and out. So we're also warming up our core. Last one and done. Great job. So now you're going to come into a seated position. So cross your legs. Use your core. And then you're going to place your feet this way. Right, and then your hands beside you like this, behind your shoulders actually, stack them up. Ready? It's called the inverted table. Body up. And we're going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to do it. 8, 9 and 10. Slowly down. One last one. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. So cross your legs, deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great. So join me in a standing position. So place your feet in a V shape, hands at the heart center. Inhale, raise your hands up, but you're going to soften them. And exhale, forward fold, just soft arms. Feel that blood flow to the head, to the shoulders. Feel that stretch in the back. All the tensions leaving you. Good. We're going to come back up once. Soft arms. Inhale. And exhale. Again, visualize all your tensions leaving you. This is a really good pose for anxiety. Even if you cup your hands. This is the ragged doll. Good. Now you're going to release your hands. Straighten them up. Inhale. Push your pelvis in front. Exhale, forward fold, arms are straightened all the way as much as you can reach out to. Don't worry about the reach, please. Good. Now you're going to bend your right knee, place your right hand in front of your left foot, raise your left hand over your left shoulder. Feel that nice stretch in the left glute. Smile while you're enjoying this nice stretch, deep breathe. Good, you're going to switch, left hand in front of your right foot, right hand over your right shoulder, left foot bend, left knee bend. Good, and hands beside your feet, bend your knees, push your right foot behind. Good, plug through your left toes, inhale, hands up. Exhale, touch the mat, ready, inhale. Exhale, cactus hands. Great job. We're going to repeat it to the left leg. Switch. Ready? Plug through those toes. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Cactus hands. Touch the mat. Grip. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Cactus hands. Great job. Right foot behind. And we're going to deep breathe here. I'm just going to move a little behind so we can move on to the next. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great job. You're going to tuck your toes behind, spread those hands in front of you, palms in front of you, and settle into the downward dog. Feel that stretch in the back. This is really good for depression, to boost energy into your body and mind, and for back pain. While you're enjoying this pose, keep pushing through your shoulders. Great. Now you're going to bring your feet together. Push through your shoulders. Great. So tiptoe on your left foot, right foot up. And right elbow. Right foot up. Left elbow. Right foot up. And place it down. Ready? Left leg up. Left elbow. Left leg up. Right elbow. Left leg up. And touch the mat. Knees to the mat. Spread those knees and settle into a child's pose. Deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. Great. Look in front. Let's settle into a plank. Interlace your fingers in front of you. Stack those elbows under your shoulders. Push your right foot behind, left foot behind, and bring that torso down. Tighten the glutes. Gaze in front. 1. And knees to the mat. Ready? Knees off the mat. And done. Knees to the mat. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great job. So spread your fingers in front of you, palms in front of you. Push your right foot in front, left foot in front. You can use your arms if you need to pull the legs down, up. Inhale, whoops, raise your hands up. Exhale to the heart center. Great. So you're going to place your feet apart, hands apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Great job on completing the warm-up sequence. So let's now move on to a few simple yoga poses. So the first pose is called the tree pose, which is really good for focus and memory. So keep that in mind. Let's settle into a mountain pose. And you're going to look forward, pick a point, right? Then you're going to move your right foot, and either you're going to place it here or here on your calf muscle, or all the way up here. But if this is hard, just place where you're comfortable, never on your knee. So I'm going to place it right here today. You're going to raise those hands up, inhale, and we're going to hold. Breathe normally while you're there. Keep smiling. Inhale, exhale, hands gracefully down, right foot down. Let's repeat it to our left. So you're going to place it where you're comfortable. Inhale, hands up, and breathe normally. Inhale, exhale, hands down and foot down, hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Great job. Great job. So join me in a seated position. So the next pose is called the seated twisted pose. This is really good to strengthen your immune system and also to detoxify your gut. So you're going to sit tall. This is Sthiti Dandasana. You're going to bend your right foot near your left knee. Place your right hand behind the center. Then you're going to flex those left toes. Place your left hand on your right knee. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, gaze towards your right side. And we're going to deep breathe. You're going to think about the benefits. And you're going to flex those left toes. You're doing great. Feel that nice twist in your gut, your spine. Great job. So you're going to look in front. You're going to release that left hand, right hand, release your right leg. Great job. We're going to repeat it to our left. So I'm going to turn this way so you can have a better view. So you're going to place your left foot this time near your right knee. You're going to place your left hand behind you. Then you're going to place that right hand pushing that left knee and inhale, exhale, gaze towards your left side. So you see how my shoulders are aligned? Good. Keep thinking about the benefits. Flex those right toes towards you. You're doing great. You're going to look in front. Release that right hand, release that left hand, release that left leg. Great. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Good. Join me in a Shavasana position. Great. So the first supine pose is called the bridge pose, and it's really good to relieve constipation, and also it's really good for a strong core. So keep those in mind. You're going to come, bring your feet together, hands together. You're going to bend your feet near your hip, and when I say inhale, we're going to push your abdomen up. Ready? Inhale. And you're going to hold this pose. You're going to gaze towards the ceiling and we're going to hold. Breathe normally while you're there. Try not to use your arms. Use your core, use your glutes. Think about the benefits. You're doing great. This is also good to tone your glutes. And exhale down. Great job. So extend those legs out. Move your neck from side to side. Hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great job. Great. So the next pose is called reclined revolving hands to big toe. This is really good for gastritis and also for back pain. So you're going to bring your feet together, hands together. You're going to raise that right foot up, inhale. Then you're going to hold on to any part of that right leg from your left hand. Then you're going to inhale, exhale, push that right foot towards your left side. Then you're going to place your right hand extended towards your right side, flex your left toes and deep breathe. So feel that nice stretch on your right glute. If you can't hold on to the big toe, it's okay. We're going to hold on to any part of your right leg. That is okay. You're going to enjoy this feel good pose. Make sure both your shoulders are on the mat. Great job. So you're going to bring your right hand back to the mat. Inhale, right foot up, right foot down and back to center. So now you're going to repeat left foot up, inhale, Exhale, left foot to your right side, right? And you're going to extend your left hand towards your left side. Then you're going to gaze towards your left side, flex your right toes and deep breathe. Great job. So you're going to bring your left hand to the center, left leg up, left leg down, and hands apart, feet apart. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great job. Breathe. Great job. So the next pose is called Cobra pose. This is really good for irregular periods and back pain. So you're going to bring your hands together, feet together. You're going to place your palms beside your shoulders, chin on the mat, feet together. Then we are going to inhale, the top part of the body will be coming up, and you're going to move your elbows towards your rib cage, not out, and gaze towards the ceiling. And exhale down. So you're going to breathe normally while you're there. One last one. Inhale. And exhale down. Hands together, feet together. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Great. So we're going to counter it with the locust pose. You're going to make a fist with both your palms. You're going to place it at the top of your inner thigh. Chin on the mat. Now we're going to counter the Cobra pose. This is really good for a healthy core and strong back. Inhale, we're going to raise the legs up. Gaze in front, breathe normally. It might not come up all the way in the beginning, but that's okay. Even if it's down, just use your core, use all you got, and we're going to hold. Breathe normally though, and legs down. One last one, inhale up. And exhale down. Great job. Hands together, feet together. Deep breathe. And Makarasana. This is a relaxed crocodile. Close your eyes and deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.